talk about the outline for this video that explains the area formula of a parallelogram. So first I would like to explain from shifting, and then I would like to explain from moving apart.
Here's a rectangle from cut 2 pics. Here is base, here is height, and we already know the area of a rectangle to be base times height. Okay, so now we are shifting parts of this rectangle, which in this example is cut 2 pics. We are shifting them so that we get a parallelogram. This method is one way to compare the area of a rectangle to the area of a parallelogram, and therefore one way to find the area of a parallelogram. I want to label this part as a slanted height as L. Now to note, the slanted height is very jagged. Why is that? It's because it's not a perfect parallelogram. However, we could have each toothpick having a smaller and smaller width, and the slanted height be less and less jagged until eventually it's smooth. But this method would still work of shifting parts to get this parallelogram. Now here's the base, and here's the height. So we have the same area as a rectangle because all we're doing is shifting parts, and we have the same base and the same height, so therefore we have the same formula, and that is area is equal to base times height.
For this parallelogram, here is the base and here is the height. Let B1 equal to this and B2 equal to this, with B1 plus B2 equaling to the base. Now let's move this triangle over here. This will not change the total area. Now here's B2 and here's B1. Now remember that B1 plus B2 is equal to the base. So that means that B2 plus B1 is equal to the base. And so we know that the area of this rectangle is equal to base times height, and therefore the area of this parallelogram is equal to base times height. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to, feel free to click on this playlist to watch more similar videos.